Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect crumble topping. It's crispy, buttery, and honestly it makes any dessert taste 100 times better. So let's get started. So for the recipe, you'll need just a few simple ingredients. We need sugar, all-purpose flour, cold and salted butter, and a pinch of salt. Now in a bowl, we're gonna add the cold and salted butter, a pinch of salt, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. And use your fingertips to rub the butter into the dry ingredients. Now we're gonna add the sugar and do not overmix it. If your crumble holds together when you pinch it but still falls apart easily, that's exactly what we want. This topping works beautifully on apple crumbs, berries, peaches, and honestly any fruits you love. Also, you can use it on top of muffins, so just sprinkle it on top and bake until it turns golden and crispy. And that's it. Super simple, super delicious. If you try it out, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.